What's the point of worrying about what to do to save your marriage if you haven't even decided that you will? Hi, I'm Mimi Negron, 5-time Master Certified Life Coach and bold mentor to family leaders who are ready to own their part, to get real and do the work to turn married life around for good. Maybe that's you. The thing is, too many spouses lose precious years of life teetering between should I stay or should I go, trying to manage the roller coaster of their conflicting thoughts and emotions on the day-to-day by consuming the false empowerment of a slew of motivational quotes and posts on social media written by the bitter, the scorned, and inexperienced so-called influencers who suggest everything but doing the right things because they don't even know what those things are. These are the deep things, the hard things that make a real difference, that cause good-hearted spouses to lose sight of their desire to actually do the things that will inevitably lead them to creating the life they want. And it comes from the discomfort and fear that it's just too hard, or it's just not possible for me. Or maybe the pride that claims, I've already tried everything. I get it. I was once there. But now I'm here to let you know that that is the old way of thinking that serves only to take away your power and your energy, drain you mentally and emotionally, and make you doubt yourself more and more, and hold you back from every move you could be making to create the life you really, really want. The marriage you really, really want. And the truth is, absolutely nothing is possible until you believe that it is. And until that belief leads you to learning how to do things differently, which first requires admitting that there's a need to do anything differently at all. Feel me? The bottom line is that getting caught up in what to do to save your marriage won't change a part of your marriage until you powerfully and firmly decide that you will learn how to do everything it takes to transform it completely. As a reminder, Marriage Muscle Boot Camp starts soon. To gain access, you'll want to join me in the Marriage Muscle Club, the only personal growth and empowerment hub created for the Fed-Up Midlife Spouse who's ready to step up and lead their marriage back to love. You'll find a link to join me there in the description, in my bio, and in the pinned comment below. As always, thank you for listening. If you gained value from what I shared, please like this video, leave a lovely comment, and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube finds it worthy to show others. Thank you again. I'm Mimi Negron, the Marriage Muscle Coach, and this right here is where strength begins. See you in the next video.